stockings down. See, Mommy's getting the stockings. Ooh, Kylie, look. Which one's yours?
This one's yours. Yeah.
Look.
Come here, Kylie. Look, it's your stocking. No, not a Chewy stocking. Come here. Come here, look. What's in it?
Chewy.
It's not yours. I haven't got to you yet. Go away. Come here.
Is it liver? Is that?
Look.
That might be liver. Kylie, that's why Chew's interested in it.
Look. What's in here?
What do we got there? Look.
Pull it out. Get it. Yay!
That is a Kylie. Oh, and yogurt milk, see? Wow.
Yay! And look. Kylie, look. You got some books.
All right.
Yay! Yay!
Pretty good, huh, Kylie?
Stocking. Yeah. Bingo. Bingo. Yay!
Okay, we'll be back more for the dinner show, okay?